And welcome to break 4265 for the 2020-21 Hit Parade Basketball Platinum Limited Edition card box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Friday, January 29th, 2021. It's 10:11 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:11 p.m. Central Time, and 7:11 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Chance 1 spot, Ed 1, Cool Hand Bay 1, Johnny Z 2, King Vlad 1, Kylesta 1, Tim 1, Tom 2, Delta 7, Jor with 1, Mike with 4, Red 3, BC Mom 1, Delmar 3, J-Bid with 1 spot. So we're going to randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams of the break. We have Chance on top, J-Bid on the bottom once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Mike on top, Johnny on the bottom. Mike, you have the Hawks, Red Celtics, Delmar Nets, Chance with the Hornets, Delta Bulls, Mike with the Cavaliers, Delmar with the Mavericks, Johnny Z with the Nuggets, Delta with the Pistons, Kylesta with the Warriors, Tim with the Rockets, Jor with the Pacers, King Vlad Clippers, Tom Lakers, Mike with the Grizzlies, BC Mom Heat, Delta Bucks, Ed Timberwolves, Delta Pelicans, Red Knicks, Cool Hand Bay with the Thunder, Delmar Magic, Tom with the 76ers, Mike with the Suns, Delta Trailblazers, J-Bid Kings, Delta Spurs, Red Raptors, Delta Jazz, and last but not least, Johnny Z with the Washington Wizards. Good luck. Whichever team is on the card, that's where the card will go. Good luck, top and bottom sealed. Empty. How about a rookie, Paul George? And this is for the Pacers, Paul George. Indiana Pacers, Paul George edition. Pretty cool rookie. 246 out of 599. Paul George, rookie. Jersey auto. Who has Indiana Pacers? Jorfield-91. Congrats, and that was break 4265 for the 2020-21 Platinum Basketball Card Box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autograph football mini helmet, which we will see later tonight. And up next is 4269 for the 2020 Topps Archive 6 Series Retired Autograph Player Edition card box. Thanks.